Oh, just like get rid of the blonde.
This message is for Gavin Farlano. So you asked what you missed today. You actually missed the entire show.
Walk into the place, start your formal ways. My heart is starting racing.
I'm hungry, Gabe.
Was on your face, and then
Do you feel the tension too?
someone keeps back.
Wait. What's up, vlog? What if I just start singing a bunch of slurs?
I'll eat anything. Especially the grass right now. It's your birthday. Oh my goodness gracious.
What, dude?
Now he'll give you real feet.
Madison, you guys are so white that you overexpose the camera. Got both of them side by side.
Lights, I promise. We were like enjoying it.
She's like yin You're gonna go from D to B flat, you gotta make sure you relax.
That's what he said. Okay.
Why talking?
This kid doing what?
It's not even out. You're fucking so sweet, you're gonna get up after.
Oh, she's Fortnite dancing. Let's go dance for dance. He was like, right now, and you pull up his bank account. He's got thousands. I was like, what the hell?
I thought your dad already came. In what way? Oh, he did!
Yeah. Whoa!
A bunch of kids are going,